What if the greatest mystery in the universe is not black holes, not quantum physics, not the origin of time, but you? What if the answer to every question you've ever asked about God, existence and meaning is hidden inside the very thing you ignore the most, your own self? Dear friends and respected gathering, today I want to speak to you about something that has stirred the human soul for centuries. Not a mystery found in laboratories or telescopes, not a secret buried in ancient ruins, but a mystery that lives inside every single one of us, the mystery of the self. Sheikh Muhyiddin Ibn Arabi, the great 13th century Sufi philosopher and mystic, said something that still shakes hearts to this day. He said, "Man arafa nafsahu faqad arafa rabbahu." Whoever knows himself truly knows his Lord. This is not poetry. This is not metaphor. This is a spiritual truth that Ibn Arabi spent his entire life exploring, writing and breathing. Ibn Arabi's greatest and most profound concept is Wahdat al-Wujud, the unity of being. He believed that existence at its deepest level is one. When God wished to be known, he created the universe as a mirror. And in that mirror, the clearest and most complete reflection is the human being. You are not simply flesh and bone. You are not just a biological accident. According to Ibn Arabi, you are the mazhar-e-atam, the most complete manifestation of the divine attributes in all of creation. Think about that for a moment. The qualities of mercy, knowledge, creativity, love, these are not just God's qualities. They are the qualities he placed inside you. But then why are we so deeply strangers to ourselves? Ibn Arabi teaches that the human being lives behind layers of veils. The first veil is the nafs al-amara, the commanding ego, the desires and distractions that pull us away from our true nature. The second veil is heedlessness. We are so consumed by the noise of the world, by deadlines and notifications and endless scrolling, that we never stop to look within. And the third veil is self-ignorance, simply not knowing who we truly are beneath all the roles we play, the masks we wear, and the titles we carry. We call ourselves students, professionals, sons, daughters, rich or poor. But Ibn Arabi asks a deeper question. Who are you when all of those labels are stripped away? Who are you in the silence between your thoughts? Who are you before the world told you who to be? According to Ibn Arabi, the human soul is on a journey. It emerged from the divine, and it is returning to the divine. But this journey is not outward. It is not a journey across oceans or borders. It is a journey inward. When a person descends into their own depths, they first encounter their weaknesses, then their strengths, then their soul, and finally the light that existed before everything and will remain after everything. This is what the mystics call fana, the dissolution of the false self, and baqa, the survival of the true self. It is not destruction. It is purification. It is the process of becoming who you always were before the world convinced you otherwise. Now let me ask you something directly. How well do you know yourself? Not your resume, not your achievements, not your social media profile, but your actual self, your fears you have never admitted, your dreams you have never spoken aloud, the questions that keep you awake at 3 in the morning. In today's world, we are obsessed with external success, money, status, power, recognition. We build empires on the outside while our inner world remains unexplored, chaotic and hollow. Ibn Arabi would look at our age and say, you have the most advanced tools in human history, and yet you are running from yourselves faster than any generation before you. Because here is the truth that Ibn Arabi leaves us with. No external destination will ever give you the peace you are looking for. No amount of wealth will silence the emptiness inside. No achievement will answer the question your soul is actually asking. The peace you are searching for in the world outside, it is waiting for you in the world inside. The greatest discovery a human being can ever make is not a planet, not an invention, not a formula. It is the moment when a person finally meets themselves, truly, honestly, without pretense. Ibn Arabi's teachings are a timeless invitation, an invitation to stop, to go inward, to ask the hardest and most important question a human being can ask. Who am I really? And when you begin that journey honestly with humility and sincerity, you will not just find yourself. According to Ibn Arabi, you will find something far greater waiting for you there. Thank you.